Okay guys, so in this video I want to show you how you can solve all Facebook monetization issue you are probably having at the moment. Okay, so now if you look at this my profile, you will see that in-stream ads is already set up and it is in review. Okay, it is in review. So this is my personal profile. I've set up my own monetization. Okay, for my other Facebook page, I already set up my monetization as well, and that is already set to start making money. Okay, so now how do you solve your issues? Whether you are having the issue of you reside in eligible country not showing green, or you are having the issue of you follow Facebook monetization policy not showing green, or you're having any other issue. So what will you do? For the first one, that the issue of you reside in eligible country, if it is a new page you just started operating, what you have to do is to continue posting on that page. Continue posting on that page. Make sure you turn on your location service so that the algorithm can pick your location where you are posting content from. Okay, as you do that, in a few days that will disappear from your page. Okay, that is for the you reside in eligible country issue. Okay, now for the issue of you follow Facebook monetization policy not taking green, you have done everything possible, you have done your best, you don't even post other people's videos, but yet it is still there. There's one thing you should do. Now, first of all, if you have the issue of you follow policy blah blah blah, and you know that your videos are not original, go and delete all those videos. Go and delete all of them. If you don't delete them, that will never become green, and if it does not become green, you cannot monetize your account. So go and delete all the videos you know in your mind that they are not yours, and you know you didn't do enough editing, which is reaction. You didn't contribute enough to the video. So go and delete all those videos. Once you have done that, then we can move to the next step. Now, the next step for you is to be active on that page, be posting videos on that page, and most importantly, go live on the page at least 4 to 5 times in 1 week. All right, go live on the page at least 4 to 5 times in 1 week, and try to get engagement on those your live videos. Share with your friends, let them react to the videos, let them comment on the videos, and in a few days, within 7 days, it will become green again. Okay, then if you have done that, you have gone live multiple times, up to 4 to 5 times in 1 week, and does not still disappear, what you have to do, the last thing you have to do, is to run ads with that page. All right, you can boost a post on the page, boost a video on the page, or run page like ad, all right, on that page. Once you have done that, then in a few days it will become green, and you will be set to monetize your account if you have met other criteria, which is the 60,000 watch minutes, the 5,000 followers for in-stream ads. All right, for the other ones, stars, bonuses, subscription, they are invite only. Facebook will invite you when they think your page is worthy enough for their program. So all you have to do is to continue posting videos, posting content, posting engaging content, most importantly original content on your page. Now this is what you need to do. Don't go about asking questions again. How can I solve Facebook policy monetization issue? How can I solve the issue of you reside in eligible country? How can I solve the issue of you follow Facebook monetization policy issues? This video is your answer. All right. If you think I don't know what I'm doing, you can continue trying and wasting your time. But this is exactly what I've done for several pages. All right. And lastly, if your page is new, you are definitely going to see you follow Facebook monetization policy not showing green. Right? Any page that is less than 30 days old will have that issue. Even if you go live, even if you post even on the page, it will not tick green. So any page that is less than 30 days old will always have that issue of you follow Facebook monetization policy not ticking green. So grow your page, work on your page for 30 days at least, and that will disappear. Okay, I hope this video answers your questions and helps you resolve your issues and get your page monetized. Okay, I have also created a video that teaches you how to set up your in-stream ads, your payout, and everything you need to set up your Facebook monetization to start receiving payment. So you can click the link below this video. I will leave it in the comment section or the description of this video. It depends on where you're watching the video. So look for that video and watch that video to learn how to set up your payout, to learn how to set up your Facebook payout. All right, so that you don't make a mistake. If you make a mistake, your page might not ever get monetized. You get, so watch that video and leave your questions. If you need any help at all, let me know. I will be willing to help you, and I hope you get your page monetized. If you have not liked my page, if you have not followed my page, follow me, subscribe, comment, say thank you, appreciate me, share this video for other persons to benefit. And I wish you all the best. One love and peace out. Boom.